Hey gang, it's Barrett from Sony, and I'm here with Mr. Josh Russell, Westcott Ambassador, and we're doing this video together today because guess what? We have a class August 23rd, so we're having kind of a Sony day, Westcott day, shooting day, so we're gonna have some free classes. We're gonna have demo day with Sony. We also have a trade-in, trade-up program going, so it's a great time to, if you're looking to trade in your old gear to get some new Sony gear or trade out of your old stuff and come to the Sony side of life. The reason I bring this up is shooter.
I am, and proud of it.
So, real quick, tell us about your class that you're going to be doing.
So my class is going to be an intro to off-camera flash. So I'm talking one light, one umbrella, one light stand on location where we can kind of run and gun and get that idea on how to manipulate light to work with us against, as opposed to against us. So the off-camera flash, if it's your first time ever buying a flash, this is a class that you want. It's going to be simple, really easy to learn alongside of me. It's not that class where you just watch me do everything. You're going to be doing it yourself, and we're going to be shooting. You'll be alongside of me, and I'll just be able to help you along the way.
My class is still flash themed. We're going to be talking about high-speed sync and global shutter and how these can really benefit your photography. And then we have a third class. Do you want to tell them about the third class? No, you're not saying it. No. You got to come in and check it out. It's going to be a lot of fun.
It'll be,
come and see us August 23rd for our Sony Westcott Day with Ambassador Westcott Dudish. I'm just making stuff up to make them sound a bit bigger. Yeah, I like the titles. It's fun.
But let's tell them about the third class.
Cut. Just.